Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how I get my hair done. I have been lazy to do my hair because I actually do it by myself. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I get this baby done. I went on to comb my hair and did that by myself, and then I twisted the front just so that it looks more natural. Let's get this moving. I hope you guys are having a great day or someday. For me, the weather sucks, so I'm just going to try to take this advantage and do it. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be using the expression loop. It's called the expression loop. As you can see, it's bumpy. And I'm just going to go ahead and get this rolling. And we'll be back shortly, but I'll show you guys in front how I get the front done as well. But just a little tip about it. This is how I get the back done. And I actually look mine twice, just because, as I stated earlier, I want it to be tight, and I don't want no defects. And this is very quick and simple. So why can't you do it? Why do you have to go to spend an extra $180 to get someone to do this for you? And you can be at home doing this part-time. What you read, Housewife of Atlanta? Leave your comments below, subscribe, let me know how I'm doing so far. Great. Okay, we'll be back shortly when I'm almost done at the front. I'm going to show you how I get my front done as well. Okay, so guys, I'm back. Fast forward to, this is where I am right now. So I'm doing the front and I want to show you guys how I got this going. So as earlier I stated that I had rubber bands, and then I twisted my hair onto, I'm going to hook it together in the crochet, and then the hole. I wish you guys can see how I'm bringing it together. And so as you can see, this is my hair, and this is the crochet. I'm just going to wrap my hair around it real quick, and then put it through the loop, and see, knot it together, and that's it. So you see my hair is still out, right? So I'm going to use like a style gel. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of that and twist my hair with it. Just twist my hair around it. The twist backhand, I tried and it won't work. So this is how I did it, and as you can see, it's strong, it's good. See, I did this also. This is all the front. So I did the cornrows, end right here, and then I did my hair and twisted it with a rubber band, and see, it looks really good. It looks pretty good. So we're just going to go ahead and finish the remaining one, the rest of the front. So let's get this going. Let's go. And voila, see? This is how it looks, really neat and clean. So we have 2 more to go, and then it'll be a wrap. So let's do this. Stick down. So this is how I got this because I just twisted my hair, what I'm going to put all of this together. So because I have some of this left out, I'll just go ahead and complete this while this. This is how we're going to go ahead and complete the back. I finished it, but I just like my hair to be full. I hate to see all this extra space in between. So let's do this. It's easy peasy. Again, as a finished product. I hope you guys like it. Again, if you want to know more about the hair, hey, I trashed the other pack, so this is what I used. And if you need info, I'll leave that below the box. But it took me about 30 minutes to get this done. No, actually I lied, 40 minutes, because I cornered my hair, so it took me 40 minutes to get this done. How does it look, guys? You like it? Now I'm going to go ahead and slay my edges, and then we'll be back shortly. Guys, so go ahead and lay my edges a little bit. Just a gel on the side. Oh no, wait, I'm not walking all the way to get my brush for my edges, so I'll just use this, my hands for now. And the comb. So hey, I'm back. So I'm going. Let me just put it on some lace back to my hair. This is my other lace. This is the finished product. It's 24 hours edge control. It does my hair some good. So this is the final product. So beautiful. See, it looks natural. So I like my hair full and natural. So if you like more description about this, let me know. This is how the baby keep on looking. This is the back. This is the front. you like it, leave a comment below, subscribe below, and I'll be posting more videos on how to get this video done all the time. So again, save money, look beautiful, get fit, stay healthy, stay out of trouble, mind your business, do not gossip, and you will live long. So that's my little tip for today, my quote for today. So have fun, guys. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment below, subscribe below, and hey, keep slaying.
Find time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I got a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window, cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits, just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I will never get it right, I still have you on my side, staying night after night, cause you're mine. Cause it's just my habits,